Hi, hello mga kalala. So for today's vlog, we will have our unboxing from Shein. So I have ordered, guys. I order, well, yeah. So I have order from Shein, and then I will show you guys. So what's my order? So yeah, and then wait. Ano dessert naman before we open our unboxing my order. Let's talk about exercise. I'm doing exercise 6 minutes, and then yeah, I'm not only I show you guys for but not in without cam. So I'm doing exercise 6 minutes. So and now I'm still sweeping. Yeah, and so this is my life every day. And okay, let's go unboxing my order. So anyway, I'm excited this order these items. I'm excited these items, guys. So let's go. I will show you guys. Let's open. Tara! So finally, my order is arrived from Shein. So what's on your mind, guys? So anyway, this is not underwear. This is not what we call that. This is okay. Let us open. So what is inside? So I'm excited anyway. So yeah, and this is from Shein. Then I ordered this, guys, because I really need it. I ordered this one. I ordered this item, this kind of items, because I want this. This is wait. Wow. Oh. Finally. I don't know what this is a good what we call that, good items. I didn't know about this, but I'm excited to open this one. Oh, charan! By the way, guys, I want to tell you guys, this order is from my chair. This is cover. Wow. Oh, wow. I like this color. Okay. And it's one. And the next, I ordered for the two chair. Is this it? Yeah. Oh, I think it's so nice. Oh, I like the color. Guys. And next, but not the last. Oh, I thought I thought this is a cover all. Here is cover all, but not. This is only for here. Oh, in the what we call that, when I saw the magazine, when I saw in the Shein, guys, Shein app, I saw all cover, it's all chair, but not. Oh, just only here. And then okay, there's only three. Okay, guys, I will show you. So we will put it here. So let's go. So. Oh. What the problem is? Hindi pala po guys. So, ayan na, mga kalalabs. Look at. Oh, I thought, oh, this cover, I thought this order, guys, I order is whole chair cover. But not. OMG. You know how much? It's very expensive. It's almost 1,000 pesos. I pay it. Yeah, and yeah, mga kalalab, so this is my daily life. I start doing what we call that, exercise for the good health, for the health. I'm doing exercise for the health, guys. So look, same color my curtains. Not same color, the similarity color. So yun lang, mga kalalabs, thank you for watching. So if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And yeah, let's go.